Time4Learning's Activity Planner makes it easy to create customized schedules for multiple students. Whether you're assigning a full high school workload or carving out extra time for play in an elementary schedule. To get started, go to the Parent Dashboard, then select Lesson Planning and Reports. Select Manage My Plans, then click Create Activity Plan. Choose a student from the first dropdown. Select the start date of the school year. This is when the student will begin working. Then choose an end date of the school year. Pick which days of the week the student will be learning. These days will be set as the default, but can be adjusted week to week. Once set, click Review Activity Plan Summary. Time4Learning will automatically calculate how many activities per day, week, and month are needed to complete the curriculum. Click Save and Go to Activity Plan to finalize. Remember, the plan is fully customizable. Content can be skipped or removed at any time. To edit course content, look to the left-hand menu. Click Course Material. Find the course you want to edit, then click Edit. One of the most powerful features of Time4Learning is the ability to fully customize what your child learns. Don't want to cover a certain topic? No problem. Want to skip a chapter that doesn't fit your values or your students' needs? You can. Just uncheck the box next to any lesson and click Update Plan. Then confirm the edits to finalize. From the Manage My Plans page, you can view the number of activities completed per student. You can also download process records as Excel or PDF files and use the Time Off button to schedule breaks or vacations. To make edits, click View Activity Plan next to the student's name to open the calendar view. Click the 3 dots on any day to see course details. In the daily view, you can preview activities and access worksheets and answer keys. To move a lesson to a different day, just drag and drop the subject card. The activity counts will update automatically. You can also easily keep track of students' progress with the progress bar on the left. Click the X to exit the activity planner and return to the main menu. Once the plan is saved, students will see their personalized schedules when they log into their student dashboard and select My Plan. The planner is flexible. Adjustments can be made anytime to match your family's changing routine.